Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Did you know that some of the most undervalued stocks today have outperformed the market for over a decade? Imagine investing in companies that not only give great returns but are also undervalued right now. In this video, we're diving into the 8 hidden gems that could boost your portfolio. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding these opportunities can help you make smarter financial decisions. Let's explore these ultra cheap stocks with the best returns on investment. Let's start with VeriSign, a company you might not realize you rely on every day. Picture the internet without a .com or a .net domains. That's VeriSign's world. They manage these essential domains, ensuring the internet runs smoothly. Founded by James Bezos, who still leads as CEO, VeriSign's near monopoly on these domains through their ICANN agreement ensures a stable revenue stream. With a profit margin of 47.3% and 2023 net income of $117.6 million, VeriSign is a financial powerhouse. They do face challenges such as increasing cybersecurity threats, but their strategic positioning in the internet ecosystem makes them resilient. Ever wondered what keeps the internet backbone strong? Well, that's VeriSign. Next, let's talk about a tech giant we all know, Microsoft. Under CEO Satya Nadella's leadership since 2014, Microsoft has transformed, excelling in cloud computing with Azure alongside their iconic Windows and Office products. Imagine running your business without Microsoft tool. It's almost unthinkable. Their diverse revenue streams and a strong financial health with 2023 revenues of $198.3 billion and a net income of $72.7 billion makes them a solid investment. Despite facing regulatory scrutiny, Microsoft's innovation and market position keeps them ahead. What's your favorite Microsoft product? Share with us your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, let's look at QUAL, a company dedicated to cybersecurity, offering cloud-based solutions that help organizations protect their IT infrastructure. Led by CEO Sumit Thakkar since 2021, QUAL has built a strong reputation with a high customer retention rates thanks to the significant switching cost of their integrated platform. Their 2023 revenues was about $489 million with a net income of $92 million and a gross margin of 79%. Although they face the challenge of high stock-based compensation expenses, the growing demand for cybersecurity solutions positions QUAL well for the future. Think about the last time you heard about a data breach. Companies like QUAL are there to prevent that. Arista Networks, led by Jayshree Ullal since 2008, is revolutionizing cloud computing with their software-driven approach. Specializing in high-performance data center networking, Arista's innovative solutions have made them a key player in the industry. Their 2023 revenue of $3.8 billion and a net income of $1.1 billion along with a ROIC of 32.3% highlights their financial strength. While they face intense competition, their strategic focus on innovation and high-performance solution provides a competitive edge. Imagine the data centers powering your favorite streaming service. Arista is behind that technology. Well folks, next up we have Adobe, known for its iconic creative software like Photoshop and Illustrator, has transformed under the leadership of CEO Shantanu Narayan. Adobe's transition to a subscription-based model has driven strong recurring revenues and financial growth, with a 2023 revenue of $19.41 billion and a net income of $4.6 billion. Despite the competitive pressure, Adobe's dominant position in the creative software market and continuous innovation make it a compelling investment. Have you ever used Adobe's products? Imagine how different your workflow would be without them. Well folks, next on our list is Alarmcom, a pioneer in smart home automation. They provide cloud-based services for security and home automation systems. CEO Stephen Trundle, who has been with the company since its founding in 2000, has led Alarmcom to a strong market position. With a 2023 revenue of $881 million and a net income of $80.3 million, Alarm benefits from a robust presence in the smart home market. However, the dependence on hardware partners, and high competition are notable challenges. Yet, their extensive service provider network ensures continued growth potential. Picture your home security system. Alarm.com might be behind it. Company 7 on our list is Meta Platforms, formerly Facebook, is spearheaded by founder Mark Zuckerberg. Meta dominates the social media landscape with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and is investing heavily in VR and AR technologies to develop the metaverse. Despite the regulatory challenges and fierce competition, Meta's 2023 revenues of $116.6 billion and a net income of $34.2 billion underlie its financial prowess. The vast user base and network effects provide Meta with a unique competitive advantage in the digital world. Think about the last time you scrolled through Instagram. That is Meta's influence. The final company on our list is Paycom, led by founder Chad Richardson since 1998, offering a comprehensive cloud-based human capital management or HCM software. The unified platform for payroll, talent acquisition, and HR management creates high switching costs, ensuring strong customer retention. Paycom's 2023 revenue of $1.6 billion and a net income of $370 million reflects their market leadership. While they face intense competition, Paycom's integrated HCM solutions and a strong client relationship positions them for sustained growth ahead. Imagine managing all your HR needs in one place. Paycom makes that possible. Well friends, these 8 stocks not only have a history of strong returns but are also currently undervalued, presenting a great opportunity for investors. They have a solid business model, strong competitive advantages, and are well positioned for future growth. Always remember to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the best investment opportunities in the market. Which of these stocks do you think has the most potential? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until then, stay safe and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.